Hello everyone. Today I want to talk on very interesting topic regarding the infertility, that is role of exercise in infertility. Most of our patients keep coming and asking about what kind of exercise they should do, when they should do, what amount of time they should spend. See, usually what people are doing, they just come and ask what exercise they should do. But the thing is, almost all the couples who are having this issues with the infertility or the menstrual irregularities or with the weight gain, the main problem is they don't have time for exercise, they don't have time for the proper diet, they don't have time for the walking or the workout. So regarding exercise, see, whatever is consumed, whatever food is consumed, it has to be digested properly, and proper exercise actually releases lot of endorphins and the antioxidants, and even it helps in getting away from the depression. The problem with infertility is people keep on thinking that they are not able to conceive. They keep on roaming to so many centers, and then they go into so much of depression. And infertility treatment itself is not a short course of treatment. It's a very long course of treatment, and in that period, people, if they don't get the result in the first cycle or the second cycle, definitely they're going into depression. So the first thing, the depression and the stress. The people who are just thinking of about the infertility, actually that itself causes so much of stress, and their work stress and the professional stress, career stress. So many things are there in their life already that they're so much stressed out. And this exercises really help in getting away from the stress and the depression, which actually causes lot of improvement in their hormonal status. So coming to the exercise, so usually people ask me what kind of exercise is better. So what I usually tell my patient is, they have to actually focus so much about exercise only. One major important thing is it usually corrects the hormonal imbalance in a very good way without any side effect, and they should actually spend a considerable amount of time for the exercise itself if they're really worried about their infertility or if they're really planning for the child. Whether they're already taking the treatment or they want to go for the treatment or they're still planning for a child, they should actually start doing workout. See, the workout or the exercise will help in reduction of the dosage if the couple is already undergoing the treatment. So the dosage of the medicine which is required for the result definitely decreases if the exercise is added. One thing. Second is, if the exercise, the chances of getting positive results are more if the couple is working out. So the exercise has got a very important role. And coming to what kind of exercise, see, any kind of exercise is required. People are interested in different ways. Like some people want to do yoga, some people want to do Zumba, some people want to do cardio and then gym. Any kind of exercise is recommended. And coming to the yoga is actually a very good way of doing workout. That too in cases of infertility, because it increases the stretching of all the muscles, resulting in the very good blood circulation and the strengthening of the body. And coming to the Zumba or other workout or the dance workout, there is a very good workout. But again, here also, people, they say that they have this online facility for doing a Zumba or dance workout at home. But still, I would recommend do the same thing in some center or the gym or wherever the workout center you can go and get a membership and do it there. Because again, if you are dancing in a group or if you are doing Zumba in a group, definitely it creates a positive mindset, and then definitely it releases lot of endorphins and other hormones, which gives a better results. And you will be very much disciplined in your workout also, and then diet also. And coming to the diet, which is very, very important, exercise 30% and diet is 70%. But in cases of infertility, yes, exercise has got its own special role, which is not related with the weight loss. Please don't think that going to gym or going to yoga for 3 months will cause any weight loss. No, the 3 months membership or the 3 months workout at the center definitely gives a better blood circulation, and it it will balance your hormones. So it may not be directly related with your weight loss, but definitely it gives a positive results. And then coming to the diet, definitely whenever you are doing the workout, you need to follow a disciplined diet. Please avoid all the junk foods, and then take a lot of fluids and the water. Keep yourself hydrated. And definitely very important thing is during the workout, all the muscles are, they're working out at a very higher pace. So you need to take a lot of protein and the fiber. So in a way, it results in a very good blood circulation and then positive hormonal balance. Thank you.